afternoon. My name is Jethro Okumura, and first is I choose Cebuana Bank account because it is most accessible and closest to our location and easy to access. The next is how to process through Cebuana Bank. I open my bank account by preparing valid IDs and proof and address, visiting the nearest branch to submit application form and initial deposit, then completing verification, all made easy by Cebuana and accessibility and helpful staff. And also I have proof that I opened bank account at Cebuana, and this is the card, the Cebuana Bank. Next is during the process I bring valid IDs and fill up the form in Cebuana Bank. My key learnings is before you open an account, make sure you have all requirements. And the importance of having an account as a student is you have courage to save money wisely.